This is my brand new Usborne Children's World Cookbook I got as a gift, and even though I'm hardly a child, I'm a 50-something-year-old grandmother, I just love these books. I have several of the series meant for teenagers and older, and I learn something every time I pick one of these books up. Now, I don't think they should be called Children's World. I think it should be Children and Grown Children's World Cookbook. So today, among the many wonderful recipes that caught my eye, Germany has this section on German cookies. So let's go to the kitchen and see what I did. And here we have the finished product. It's meant to be kind of like a gingerbread, a spicy cookie gingerbread. The ornaments come out not very sweet, which I like. You hang them on the tree or in the windows at the holiday time. And since it's still kind of the holiday season, just barely past, and I haven't made holiday cookies this year, I thought this would be fun. I didn't use fancy decorating tubes. I used a simple Ziploc bag with a tip snipped. I did it kind of rustic. So here we are. They're delicious. They're fun. I love the way the book's laid out. Very concise, clear instructions, easy to follow, and the index. I just love it to get kids used to using indexes. Kudos to Usborne. It's a wonderful book.